Hello all the viewers of this video. In this video, we will explain about the summary of this course, which is literacy and learning in content areas, multiliteracies. The next slide. So yeah, the introductions. There are introductions, canvas, and topic 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the introductions of this course, we are introduced by getting to know multiliteracies by reading the passages from the New London group. And then after that sessions, in Canvas, we had class discussions 1, which explains about the importance of literacy. You know what, literacy is not something strange or weird to people like us in today's era. From the video I watched entitled Literacy is the Answers by John Tristy, it has powerful messages and hopes. He once said that if people can read, they stand a chance to make their lives better, a chance to make their family lives better, a chance to impact their communities or villages or cities. In fact, literacy helps people to see more opportunities for increasing their quality of life and communities. And then literacy helps people to think creatively and critically of what they must do for their lives, and they tend to have a higher motivation to change the poverty. And then the topic 1, we learned about um, weekly topic brief note 1, which is the sessions of finding and using evidence. So the next slide, please. So yeah, here are the topic 3 and 4. The topic 3 is discussing about the close reading and writing from the sources. It is from Douglas Fisher and Nancy Frey. And also the topic 4, we discussed about evidence in reading and writing. So it is like discussions on the canvas. It is about the importance of providing evidence, which is also presented by the groups. So in these meetings, we learned about many things about literacy, about using evidence, close reading, and that is so benefit for us as the future educator, that we can provide the importance of literacy to encourage our students motivation to learn, especially in English, in also they're building their critical thinking towards the literacies they have. They must use evidence, and then we learned about the fact, we learned about belief, we learned about opinion, which is useful for us to separate its functions uh, in this digital literacies. And then the next part will be explained by my friend Sheila.
Okay, thank you very much, Divany. I will just give a brief explanation because we have limited time. Thank you so much, Divany, for your explanation. So, and the next thing we're learning is about close reading and finding evidence. We learn it through reading and analyzing Douglas Fisher, Nancy Frey's book, which is Close Reading and Writing from Sources. During that time, I was assigned to explain about close reading, which is and how to incorporate it in classrooms. So close reading is not only reading, but also knowing the meaning or the content of the text itself. And then we want to make sure that in the classroom, the students also was reinforced or was supported or encouraged to read the text and read the text thoroughly, and somehow how we incorporate that or encourage them to do so, it's by giving text dependent questions, so that no matter what, the students will go back to the text and read it thoroughly to find the answer they desired, and then the answer of the question that was desired. And then also it is important for us as teachers to help improve the students' literacy skills and motivation in reading. So I think by doing so, we can help increase it. And then the next one, in finding evidence, we were assigned to do an analysis on Yuval Harari, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. A lot of people might be confused, like, oh, you're learning about literacy, but why are you learning about the history of humankind at the same time? I think in this part of the lesson, Ms. Farah actually encouraged us to read thoroughly or to apply close reading in our assignments, so that because the assignment itself, it actually instruct us to tell others or present about the chapters, about each chapters that we were assigned with, so that Miss Farah will understand about if we whether we understand about the content of the chapters or not. And so not only Miss Farah teach us about what is close reading or how to incorporate it in classroom, but she directly encouraged us to apply it during the learning activity. And then also the next one, the activities that stands out most during the course, it's discussion and constructive feedback. We always have discussion in class, which helps us in exchanging point of views and perspectives of knowledge, because even though we read the same books and watch the same videos, each students have their own interpretation of the content. So with exchanging our discussion or our perspectives of the lessons, we can finally conclude it into one and summarize it into one, and then gain more knowledge. And then also with constructive feedback, Ms. Farah always give constructive feedbacks. So not only we present and we learn, but Ms. Farah also give feedbacks about how we can improve in each assignments and each topics. And then the next one is about strategies for teaching multimodal literacy. Of course, Ms. Farah allow us to learn from guest lectures. We were encouraged to join a webinar by British Council, and during that time, one of the speakers is the ones that I was assigned to learn, and it was from Professor Linda Heron, where we learn about how to teach multimodal literacies using semiotic devices, how colors and fonts and patterns in text can help students understand the lesson better, and then also in how to use the multimodal literacy in the classroom and make it fun, so that the students will not get bored in the classroom, but also making sure that the students make meaning out of the context. And I just want to add from Divany's point, the importance of literacy. I think this course is really beneficial for us as teachers, because we were also taught about how to incorporate it and encourage our students. But also, not only that, it was beneficial for non-teacher candidates, because we're learning about literacies, which something that's truly close to us, to our daily lives. Like how can we understand the directions or the nutritional value of meals. And so when we understand literacies, I think we have a higher chance of survival and also a higher life quality. Divany, do you have anything else to add? Oh, I don't think she has anything to add there. Thank you, everyone. And I think that's it from us. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.